Hello, my name is Vishesh Mehta. I had enrolled for the course CS50's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python, offered by Harvard University. In this video, I will demonstrate my project's functionality, and my project is Tic-Tac-Toe. So let's see the output. So I'll write Python space runner dot py and let's play the game. So first I'll play as X. So let's say I'll start here. Now computer is thinking and now my turn. Let's say I choose this place. Now let's say I'll choose this. Now I'll choose this place and game over. It's a tie. So now I'll play again and now I'll play as O. So here computer will play as X. So computer is thinking, okay, my turn. So I'll do here. Now I'll do here. Now I'll do here. So game over because X wins. We can see here X wins. So thank you for watching the video.